Okay, so after a quick dress change, just like a Bollywood heroine, I'm back, and इस half में हम मनाएंगे our Valentine's Day special. Now it's just around the corner, so here's wishing you all a very very happy and very very romantic Valentine's Day. And Valentine's Day मनाने के लिए हमने सोचा कि हम आपको ले चलेंगे एक बार फिर से महक. Now this is one of my favorite Indian restaurants in Dubai, and the reason why I chose this is one, I love the food here. Two, Bharat Bhatt, the head chef here, promised me that he's going to take very, very good care of my people and me. And what I mean by my people, you'll find out. You just have to keep watching. Sabse pehle, let's take a look at Mahek.
Indulge in an alluring spectrum of Indian cuisine at Mahek, a title which stands for modern, authentic Hindustani evolved cuisine. The restaurant is elegantly decorated with touches of regal deep purple and a richly ornate crystal chandelier which hangs in the main dining room. Mahek is located at the Le Méridien Village. Once there, you will be intrigued by an extensive menu conceptualized by head chef Bharat Bhatt, and then the wine pairings by the sommelier.
वैलेंटाइंस के मौके पर सब लेडीज़ के लिए मेरी तरफ से एक छोटा टिप. बेसिकली कहते हैं पुराने लोग में कि पति के दिल के जाने का रास्ता उसके पेट से होता है, तो उस पेट के लिए एक कुछ अच्छा सा छोटा सा इजी डिश बना देता हूँ. वो है लॉबस्टर पापड़ी चाट. उसके लिए हमें चाहिए लॉबस्टर जो हल्का सा सौते किया हुआ है ऑयल में. फिर उसके अंदर डालिए थोड़ा सा चॉप अनियंस, रेड टमाटोज, थोड़ा सा धनिया, थोड़ी सी इमली चटनी, मीठा दही, धनिया पुदीना की चटनी, नमक एज टेस्ट, चाट मसाला, एंड देन आप उसको मिक्स कर सकते हो अच्छी तरीके से. पापड़ी के ऊपर थोड़ा सा चाट डाल दीजिए, फिर थोड़ी सी मीठी दही, इमली चटनी, धनिया पुदीना चटनी और सेव, और ये तैयार हो गया आपका लॉबस्टर और पापड़ी चाट.
Now this is our Valentine's special episode, so here's wishing you all a very very happy and romantic Valentine's Day. And actually अब वक्त आ चुका है कि हम आपको बताएं हमने क्या स्पेशल प्लान किया है इस Valentine's एपिसोड के लिए. देखिए, हमने सोचा कि अपनी गर्लफ्रेंड के साथ तो सभी मनाते हैं वैलेंटाइंस, एंड आइडियली आपको वैसे ही अपनी गर्लफ्रेंड के साथ ही मनाना चाहिए वैलेंटाइंस डे, पर हमने सोचा कि इस वैलेंटाइंस हम मनाएंगे आपके साथ, यानी कि ऑल द व्यूअर्स ऑफ वीकेंड आउट. तो हमने पोस्ट किया एक कॉम्पिटिशन ऑन आवर फेसबुक पेज विच इज facebook.com/weekendout. अगर आपने अभी तक ज्वाइन नहीं किया है तो कर लीजिए, क्योंकि ऑल द एक्शन इज हैपनिंग ऑन दैट फेसबुक पेज. हमने कहा कि पोस्ट योर मोस्ट रोमांटिक पिक्चर. बहुत बढ़िया रिस्पॉन्स आया, बहुत सारे लोगों ने बहुत सारी रोमांटिक पिक्चर्स पोस्ट की. हमारा बस चलता तो सबको बुला लेते, बट वी हैड टू चूज ओनली 4 कपल्स जिनके साथ हम मनाएंगे वैलेंटाइंस डे एट महक. तो हमने अपने 4 चुन लिए हैं, एंड वो आ रहे हैं महक हमारे साथ डिनर एंड बेवरेजेस के लिए.
Our marriage was fixed, so we didn't even get a chance to talk to each other, and I think we thought that we both discussed on net that at least one day before we'll meet, and you won't believe, I don't know whether you'll be laughing or you'll be what, 3 days before marriage, she's traveling to Mathera.
To a hill station.
A hill station before marriage, and then I was shocked because I wasn't aware about it. And then Ekta as a person, I will say, is a very innocent girl. Anyone can just manipulate, and she's very being Cancerian, so she's very touchy also, and very sensitive.
In marriage, you require support, you require compromise, you need a lot of adjustments, which I think we both have, managed to do, and that's the reason we are here today.
It's an arranged marriage, and when he had come to see me, I had already seen him from the balcony. So he had not seen me, so it was for me I really liked him instantly.
I didn't want to get married that time, really. It was too early, typical of a 26-year lad. Photo dekha, said no.
Why did you say no?
Well, too early, 26 years.
He was very simple guy, so I just liked the simplicity, and
I haven't changed much, by the way.
yeah.
I still remain to be simple.
So it's via family friend, arranged marriage. I believe in surprises. I believe in Valentine's Day.
If I must say something, that what is love? I don't know really. We are still finding out, through the journey we are trying to see.
So 16th March we just met each other. Then after 2-3 days we started talking on the phone. On 4th April her birthday was there and I was invited. So I went there and then I fall in love with her more and more. And
it was marriage by default, I can say. Because parents were more interested, the mediator, how we have in arranged marriages. He was more keen, to get his commission done and get this successful marriage,
we enjoyed each and every moment of those 2 years also, and we have enjoyed each and every moment of these 12-13 years.
We make sure that these small moments, we always, go out. Even now, recently we decided that at least one day during the week we'll fix it for ourselves only, where the kids are
At home.
with the nanny and we can have our time to ourselves. We let the candle burn.
During the Eid breaks of 2009, we decided let's go over to Switzerland just for a short stint for about 3 to 4 days. And it's over there that Mr. Dilip Mirchandani, that's how our journey started, and that's where 11,000 feet above the ground level, he actually proposed me in the middle of the snow. He's never changed a bit. He's just the same person I met. He's absolutely a simple person by heart. And that's what the most I like about it. And if he's going to change, I'm not going to love him anymore. No, I think the only thing which I dislike is when he starts doing something, he'll take really long to finish that thing.
She's very quick. She's very quick in everything.
And that's one of the reasons why we balance out each other. So. We do celebrate Valentine's, but I always believe that it's not just one day is not enough for me to love him.
Yes.
Every day, I love him
It's just
even
because
more.
the world celebrates him, along with the world we celebrate.
And I think with each day passes by, I understand him better, he understands me better, and our love grows. So every day, it's like a bit more of, love that we have in us.
So that was Bharat's idea of romance, पर मेरा idea of romance थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा romantic, थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा dramatic और थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा elaborate भी है. In fact, ये secret रख के मैं थक गया हूँ. So 2 मिनट रुकिए. When we come back after the break, हम आपको दिखाएंगे हमने क्या plan किया for Valentine's Day, and we did it specially for you. And by you, I mean all the viewers of Weekend Out.